going to make a velocity graph. For that I have here the scale, which is bad, regular, good, great, and total. Here the value that we are going to put as a pointer, and here also the pointer, where we have before, pointer and then to create.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
First, I will give a scale to our visual, 20, 20, 40, and 20. And here I will do the sum of the total. Once this is done, I will select here and I will insert a thread graph, inserted the thread graph. I can take this information here, format the data series, and put an angle of 270. Once this is done, I can here already draw some conclusions. Here I will take and change to red. First I will remove all the edges. To get better, edges, not lines. Here I will put yellow, here a green, lighter, and here a darker green, and here I will click and to not fill. Now we have our visual graph. Now we have to make the pointer. I will put the value of 70, and here I will do, for example, the pointer I will define the size of 4. And here I will apply a formula, which is this formula, which is equal to C, which corresponds to the pointer minus. This here would be, in this case, C would be before. In this case, I would put the function C12 minus C16 divided by 2, which will be 68. And here I would apply the function. Here I would put the value of 128. Now we have our information. Of the pointer, now I will take and create the pointer. To have together this information to our picture, I will click here, I will format, I will select data, add data, and here I will click on these values and give the name of the pointer. Okay? Okay? Now I will select the type of graph. I will select here, type of graph, here the pointer. I can select a type. Here I will add a type of pizza. And now we have a more usual graph. Here I will select the size of the graph. I will put 270 degrees. And here before, I will put to not fill, and I will select this later to not fill, and now our pointer, I will click to not fill, I will click on solid color, and change to a black color. Here it is okay, our pointer is already working. If I put 50, it goes to here. If I put 20, it goes to here. If I put 19, it goes to here. 2, it goes to here, and it is already working. If I put 90, for example, to help, I will also put some information together. I will put a title to our graph. I will put traffic light graph, and I will also add a box. Up here, equal, here, let me format with here, let me delete, and here put 90. I will put this color here, the graph, I can remove the background, and here also, I will take advantage of the view, let me come here, lines and gradients, I will remove, and our graph is ready. I will increase it a little, and I will also add here our data, and here I will put in this same color, a green is better, right? Here, that does not go to the case to represent, because it is already here the number. So here, let me go back, that he had given the error, because he lost the calculation that we did. I deleted this information here, here. Let's see if it is working again. Here it is working. That I had deleted. He had put here. So he had lost information. But here, beauty, 50. Let's see if I put it now. He will give the error. I had to have formatted before. I will delete. 60. I had to have put before. If not, he is giving this error. But okay, I will put here 90, 85, 75. Now I will only remove the lines here. I will also remove the filling and the edge of this graph. Here I will put orange. Here, ready, now, as I change the options, it is already coming, and it is right. Our speedometer graph.